another chance. Blessed with another chance.
Yeah, this stuff I gave either.
What you gotta say?
Nobody there when we had me, only me. My when we had myself.
Say I got 125.
I know. And I went. I got 4.
But that don't mean I don't cry. Like la 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 la. My enemies, I'ma say bye bye. Energy feeling like I can't fly. I know he loves me, that's why. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I relax on the hope of a good.
Guys, welcome back to another video. It is day 5, I think this is day 5. I don't know, don't quote. So we vlogging the whole month of January. As you saw, we went bowling today. We were supposed to go a few days ago, but we didn't get to go, so we made up for it today. And we have a little thing, whoever loses buys the cookie. So we did 3 games and my aunt had to buy the cookie. I lost the second one, I had to buy the cookie. The third one, my aunt lost again. Ooh, auntie! But it was so much fun. We kind of made it a thing, so we do it pretty often. Nature had a blast. She is knocked out if you can't hear her snoring. Let's take a moment and listen. My girl is tired, okay? We just made it to Target, so we need to run in and get a few things. It's 7 o'clock. I still have to make it back to go edit today's vlog so I can post it, which is today's vlog is day 3. But I'm 2 days ahead, so I just have to add the music and create a thumbnail and post it. So hopefully we can get that done by 9:30. But we're sticking to it. Let's go ahead and run into Target. Okay, we made it into Target. We have to get Bailey dog food, something to drink. We need some water too. We are going to get water. But this aisle, no, that's cat food. We need dog food.
Dog food.
There's no dog food. Get Beneful original. We've been getting this for years. He's been using it for years. This is what he likes. Everything else we try, no good. Ooh. Oh, the bag was. How? I just put it in here. It must have been. And was that the only one? Let's go find somebody. They can pick it up. Did it, but I didn't do it purposely.
Just throw it in here.
I gotta tell somebody. Like, this would happen. Find somebody so you can tell them that this happened. Okay. See, I kicked it all to the side. So let's go get somebody. Let's get another one first.
Throw it in the pop up.
Some dog food fell when I put it in the cart. It fell out the dog food aisle. We're gonna go over to the side because I don't want nobody to fall. But okay, thank you. Why would I come out of this aisle on accident? See, it be your own kids. Shopping at Target. I mean, we come here for emergencies, but we don't like indulge. You know, since it died down, y'all don't really be. Y'all don't pay no mind. Y'all go. What y'all be doing? So, Tropicana pineapple mango.
Wow.
Got the sour grape.
Oh, we tried that my year ago. We tried this my year ago.
A year ago? It wasn't a year, but yeah, you're right.
Yeah, they were so sour.
Nice. Made it home. We're drinking this poppy. Grape one. Tastes like grape soda for real. And I love grape soda. This video is going to be about procrastination and not to stop procrastinating, okay? Get ready to do mommy duties. Actually, Nelson getting ready to do daddy duties. He's getting to put Nature in the tub so she can get ready for swim class tomorrow. We have to get up early to be able to make it to her swim class. So we'll be doing that. And I just wanted to come on here real quick and talk about procrastination because that is something that I've always struggled with, is procrastinating. A lot of times I work really well under pressure, and when I have less time, I feel more forced into doing it, and I feel like I do a better job. But it's really stressful, and it's something that I don't quite enjoy doing it because my anxiety is like here until it's completed, and then there's like a relief, and I ultimately don't like that. Sometimes procrastination doesn't always look like nothing. It's like doing other stuff to avoid what you really need to do. And so something I've been doing these past couple days, I've been editing. Instead of waking up early editing, I've been uploading my footage at night and then waiting until like 4 or 5 to edit. And I realized now I feel like I'm under pressure because I don't have that much time to post the video.
I don't have that.
But overall, bowling was extremely successful today. It was so much fun. Bond and have some family time and be competitive. If you know me, it's so funny because I really don't have a competitive bone in my body. I mean, I guess when I cheer, I did. But other than that, I'm always like, if I lose, hey, I lost, whatever. Let's go run. Maybe we could
every morning when you get up,
this little piece together.
say over and over to yourself, do it now, do it now, do it now. I do it now, do it now. Whenever you have this tendency to procrastinate, program your subconscious mind with this automatic conditioned command, do it now, do it now, do it now. The key to overcoming procrastination is to develop a sense of urgency. Be the kind of person who gets things done quickly. Be the kind of person who launches fast on a task. One of the ways to launch fast on a task is to take the task and break it up, what is called salami slicing it. Slice a piece of salami. You don't try to eat a whole loaf of salami, you just eat it one slice at a time. Take your task and break it up into small pieces and do one piece at a time. Say over and over to yourself, do it now, do it now, do it now.
I'm ready to get ready for bed. Today's been a day. I finally posted the 3rd video and it felt good building a system, a better system, because I'm editing moments before I have to post it and I shouldn't be doing that. Because once I start going back to work next week, things are going to get real fast. I need to download all my clips the night before and then, but I am 2 videos ahead, so that's a good thing. Something I wanted to do is kind of like build a structure because I think that will be helpful. Give each video a theme. I just got that in my eye. Hold on. I want to give each video a theme. Yeah, so I did ask ChatGPT to kind of like help me with pacing the video so I'm not just on here talking. And I kind of like know when to transition and keep it interesting because me, I will watch a vlog, but I will be fast forwarding when I'm not watching it on TV. I do be fast forwarding if it takes too long or if I lose interest. And I feel like people will do the same to mine, so I want to be able to give those. I want my vlog to have better pacing. So right now we just need to start building a system because it'll just be easier to plug and play, know what I'm already recording each morning, how I'm gonna start the video over. The good thing about this series is I'm testing different styles. So what I'll be doing is in the future vlogs, there'll be a vlog and the whole thing will be a voiceover. I want to try different styles and techniques and just see what style I like best because this is what it's about right now. It's not about numbers. It's literally about testing what vlogs works the best and what I like to record. I need to go wash my face. I'm using this micellar water. I usually get the blue one, but this one was at Marshall's for $7.99, so why not? It's the vitamin C one. Honestly, I don't even know the difference. I don't even see the difference between the blue one and this one. But I'm getting all this makeup off so I can get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow is an eventful day. We have to get Nature will be starting swim class. I don't know if I told y'all this earlier, but she hasn't been in swim class for a whole week because of the holidays. We need to do some grocery shopping. So yeah, we have things to do tomorrow. So I need to go ahead and wrap this vlog up. I don't know how long this, maybe I'll add a voiceover to this one. We'll see how long it is and maybe I'll add a voiceover. I don't know. And here she go. We just put her to bed, and every night before she fully goes to sleep, she gotta come knock on our door and say something. Let's see what she need today. Let's see what you think it is. Got a potty? Okay. What you need? What do you need? Let's go. You cannot sleep in our room. You know that. She wanted to sleep with us. Girl. Anywho, I am getting ready to upload these clips and this might be a short one. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.